Hi, in this video we will introduce a new way of logging in. In the registration phase, the user will choose a username, then choose 3 categories and 2 places in the grid for each category. The user will not be presented any pictures. After registration, the user can log into our service. The login procedure happens as follows. The user enters the username and then a similar grid to the one shown in the registration form is presented. The user will drag and drop pictures that fall in the chosen categories to the right places. The order of the pictures is not relevant. The advantages of this method come in 2 aspects. First, the user will be able to recall the categories easily. As shown in previous research, recalling is better than memorizing a specific pattern or word. Secondly, we are making use of the spatial memory of the user. The effective password space of this method is also quite important, as the number of possible combinations is in the order of magnitude of millions, and we can easily extend the space to the magnitude of billions by adding a category that the user does not recall and the service accepts whatever place for it. This will make it harder for the hacker to crack the password, but not for the user to enter a valid one. This is one of the advantages of using a graphical-based password. In our showcase, we have implemented our app as an OAuth provider, meaning that we can provide authentication to other websites and services, as known as clients, by redirecting the user to our service, authenticating the user, authorizing the app or the client, and then redirecting the user back to the client app with an authorization token with which the client can verify the user authenticity. Here is a quick demo. First, we will make an app on our service. We will first create a client, specify the name and the redirection URL, and submit. The client is supposedly to put a link to the authorization URL on its website, just like this one. The logged-in user will be prompted whether to authorize the app or not. If yes, the user will be redirected back to the website with the code as shown in the URL. With this code, the client can verify and get more info about the user from our service.